Thank you so much, guys. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Ekwa Ronald, and I'm going to take you through the what we call the Excel error. So some of the errors that always occur when you are typing your work using the spreadsheet. So I already have this one. This work, as you have seen, the one I have tried. Let's say here we have we have the amount here. We have amount 1, amount 2, and then total. Okay. Now let's say from here, okay, let's come here. Okay, now let's say the first error that may occur, let's say here it is too small. Okay, it is too small for the for the work I have typed. Like if you can see amount 1, now some letters has disappeared. Now what do you do? Now you bring the thing on the shell, on the sheet, now up here until it has brought something like a cross, okay, or a positive sign. Then you try to enlarge. Let us see, it has already brought the first shell. So which means if you try to even do it more, okay, have you seen it has disappeared completely? So you somehow drag it like this. Good, we have already increased to the normal size. Now we have cell A, cell B. Now total, you know that if you're doing the total of something, you have to add. Okay, let's say we are here, and then now we already have. Now if you're going to add, you can say equals sign. Then because is add, you just say add. Then from there we have open bracket. From which cell? From this cell. Okay, up to B. Okay, then you say, then you close before entering. Then maybe you say enter. Have you seen it has again brought another another error here? Okay, this is another error. The hash name is again another error. So how do you do it? You go back and clear everything there. Now what we are going to have is the equal sign. You have to, here now is where you have to at least know the formula, the correct formula of which you are supposed to use. Now we have equal sign. This is the correct formula now. Then what we are going to have, instead of add, we are going to have sum. Okay, shall have sum. Then we open the bracket. From where? From A up to up to B. From A2 up to B2. Now here we now close. After closing, I will enter. Have you seen? Now when you add 3000 plus 1000 gives you what? Gives you 4,000. Now what you do is just to come here and the first one, and you try to autofill. Okay, this is what we call autofilling. You just bring the thing down there, then until it has shown the plus sign like this. Now you try to autofill automatically, and then you leave. Everything will have been filled already. So that is basically how you can try to correct some of the errors that always happen when you are doing Microsoft Excel. You have to just know that you have to have those basic formulas in your head. I have only sample few, but there are many. Okay, so next time we shall again discuss more. Otherwise, I thank you so much for listening. We catch up later for another discussion.